Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 3. I wanted to take just a little bit of your time to provide you with an overview of Module 3, which does include chapters 4, 9, and 10 in your Wagner textbook. Chapter 4 looks at comparing the United States healthcare system to other developed countries' healthcare systems. Chapter 4 does begin by closely examining healthcare systems versus health systems, and then moves into examples of healthcare systems from around the world, which are listed in Exhibit 4.2. The chapter then takes a deep dive into the United States healthcare system, looking at healthcare expenditures and healthcare outcomes compared to other countries. When we move to Chapter 9 discusses quality and safety in healthcare. And to start with, we really do need to define quality and safety. The textbook utilizes the definitions from the Institute of Medicine that defines quality as the degree to which health services for both individuals and populations increase the likelihood of desired health outcomes and are consistent with current professional knowledge. The Institute of Medicine defines safety in healthcare as the prevention of harm to patients. The chapter then moves to quality improvement tools with a list of those most commonly utilized tools on page 293 of your textbook. I do encourage you to review those tools, and there is a summation of those tools on pages 293 to 298. A key principle or goal for healthcare organizations is to achieve quality and safety, and to be that of a high reliability organization. Exhibit 9.5 on page 299 in your textbook does a great job of summarizing the 5 key characteristics of a high reliability organization. Chapter 10, when we move to Chapter 10, examines the impact of technology on the United States healthcare system. This chapter starts by looking at medical technology, information technology, and health information technology with definitions and examples for each of those. Now, some of the newer components of healthcare technology include new service delivery methods such as telemedicine, I'm sure you're familiar with, e-health, and telehealth. The majority of healthcare providers and organizations have moved now to electronic platforms for their healthcare records, as well as utilizing electronic health records and or electronic medical records or EMRs. The utilization of these electronic documentation methods has, of course, led to the development of electronic personal health records and patient portals, for which I'm sure, again, many of you are familiar. The chapter also discusses the need to protect patients' electronic health information and discusses cybersecurity and common cyber attacks. When we look at Module 3, again, there are helpful links embedded within this module and resources to information that are used to accompany the reading, as well as your next assignment. Your next assignment is the completion of your healthcare technology or informatics presentation, and there is a video containing more information relative to this assignment in the Brightspace course. Please do take some time to review that video. And if you have any questions, again, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you on discussion. Thanks so much.